Zontes 125X and 150X power drain handling method preparation tools. Jump start cable, 12V battery, T25 Torx wrench vehicle power drain unable to start. Use tools to pry open and remove the front left panel. Below the front left panel, find the dashcam modification connector in the cable waterproof sleeve. Connect the jump start cable and the 12V battery together first. Connect the positive jump start cable to the red wire of the connector and the negative jump start cable to the green wire. Start the vehicle and open the seat cushion. Note that under jump start conditions, you can only start the power and open the seat lock, but cannot start the vehicle engine. After opening the seat lock, remove the jump start cable. Use a T25 Torx wrench to remove the two screws securing the battery cover. Remove the battery cover. Clip the battery charger clamps onto the battery to charge it, or you can remove the battery to charge it. Note that a 12V motorcycle-specific charger must be used. After the battery is fully charged, remove the charger clamps. Reinstall the fuse box onto the battery cover as shown in the video. Reinstall the battery cover. Reinstall the front left panel as shown in the video. So what do you all think? Leave a comment below. Until next time, this is Mad Mick bringing you all the latest Zontes tech, news and how to maintain all the Zontes models. Take a look at my channel homepage and you will be amazed with the content. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And smash that bell notification. Reinstall the front left panel as shown in the video.
I'm coming for the throne.